Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by opening System Settings or Preferences and navigating directly to Menus or Appearance. This gets you to the controls. Make sure you have admin access if the change is system-wide, and sign in now so you don't interrupt the process. Once the menu area is visible, locate which menu bar you'll edit, the top bar, an Apps toolbar, or a context menu, because the next steps depend on that choice and how the system organizes entries. Now you'll modify items. Add new entries using the plus button or context menu, remove unwanted items with the minus control, and drag to reorder them. You should rename labels and assign or change keyboard shortcuts so actions are discoverable. This improves speed and reduces errors. Once done, adjust icons and visibility settings for each item so the bar isn't cluttered. Make sure to save or apply changes before moving on. Some systems require an explicit save to commit layout edits. Finish by applying changes and restarting the affected app or logging out and back in to ensure the menu bar refreshes properly. If items don't appear, inspect permissions, disabled plugins or extensions, and clear cache settings because these commonly block updates. When things go wrong, restore defaults or import a saved layout. That's the fastest recovery. If you still have trouble, capture a screenshot and note recent installs. This helps you or support identify conflicts and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.